Nice little bar room facility. Come into the kitchen area. It's common. All these rooms are common areas for everybody who's staying here. Morning breakfast at the dining room table. We're staying in the switchback trail room. Nice little room, a little ornate for my style, but it's nice. Mountain scenery. Well, that's about it. Hi guys, it's Bill Colville from Bill Colville YouTube channel, and today we are in Thorpe, Pennsylvania to start our ride on the Lehigh Valley Rail Trail. What we're going to be doing is taking a train. It's for about an hour. You take a train up the rail trail, and they take your bikes with you on the train, and then unload them and you ride back down. The total trail length, if you do it the one way like that, is about 25 miles, but at least it's sort of a downhill grade. But yeah, looking forward to it. And these are our accommodations for tonight, the trail and bed and breakfast. And my wife Joanne's with me today, so looking forward to taking care of the trail. Let's saddle up
and ride.
All right, we're in Thorpe, Pennsylvania, ready to start an adventure today. We're going to take the train one way up to Whitehaven from Thorpe. It's about an hour's ride, and then you ride back down, and it's about a 2%, 3% grade. So there's also a lot of options here. You can do a trolley if you don't want to do the train, because the train only runs once a month, the bike train part of it, and it's $39 a person. But I think it's going to be well worth it. A lot going on here in Thorpe. Unfortunately, my action camera broke, so I have to use my phone. So probably going to be limited amount of video space available on my phone. So it's going to be a quick video. Hopefully I can capture a little bit just to show you what it's all about. You can come and enjoy this yourself. Today it's a Sunday. Definitely very busy. All right. Started the trail up in Whitehaven, and it's a nice hard-packed path. Nice and gravel and tree canyon. It's beautiful. Yeah. Rhododendrons pretty much cover the path. It's beautiful. It's not in bloom right now. Yeah, this is a great path. And I apologize since my action camera broke. Hopefully this video will come out and sound will come out okay. But I'll see you down the road. It's also a great place to do some whitewater rafting or kayaking. This trail is really impressive. Stopping on the bridge, get a nice little view of the area. We only have about 2 more miles to go on this trail before we head back to Jim Thorpe. And highly recommend this trail, it's great.